In this video, I'll guide you through how to give a friendly challenge in Clash of Clans. So if you want to test your base or challenge your friends, make sure to watch till the end. First, open your Clash of Clans game. Now make sure you are in a clan because friendly challenge only works inside a clan. Next, go to the chat section of your clan. Here, you will see a button called Challenge. Tap on it. After that, you can apply battle modifiers to set specific rules for the attack from here, making your friendly challenge more fun and strategic. You can also select your clan castle army from here. Now from here, choose the base you want to challenge your clanmates with. You can select your home village or any war base. Once selected, tap on Start. That's it. Your friendly challenge is now live in the clan chat. Now your clanmates can attack your base and test their strategies. You can also delete the challenge from here anytime if you want to remove it from the clan chat. So that's how you can easily give a friendly challenge in Clash of Clans. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.